Today we're making chicken teriyaki, and to mix up the marinade that you're going to put it in, you're going to just add a few simple ingredients. The first thing that we're going to put into our Ziploc plastic bag, and I have this inside a container to keep it from spilling over, and that's how I keep it inside the fridge so that it all can stay together. But the first ingredient I'm going to put in is olive oil, and I have 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup, or maybe another tablespoon beyond that, of soy sauce, or what I prefer to use is the Bragg liquid aminos. So that's this one, and I can put the link to this below where you can get some if you haven't seen that in your local store. Then the next thing we're going to add is some ginger. You can use minced fresh ginger. You can use ginger juice, which I'm using today, or you could use powdered ginger. And I'm putting in a teaspoon of that. Then a teaspoon of ground pepper, black pepper. And then we're going to start with 1 cup of water. And I just want to kind of mix that a little bit to make sure that the pepper is in and not just floating on the top. If you use the ground ginger, you'll want to mix a little bit more because that may clump in the bottom and you want to get it dispersed amongst all the liquid part. Once you've prepared your chicken, and for mine I'm using boneless chicken breast, and I've cut them into half breast each, or half pieces each, just so that they'll marinate faster because I only have about 6 hours before I'm going to be grilling it later tonight. So then you're just going to put these into the bag that you have. And again, you want to make sure that the pepper and everything has been mixed in there well. Then you're going to evaluate whether you need more water at this point. So look and see how full the marinade is. If it's not up to the top of where your raw meat is, then you want to add water to top that off. So I need to add a little bit of water to mine. And I think that'll be enough there. And I'm just going to kind of mix it a little bit to make sure that it's not just water and oil on the top, and that the soy sauce or the aminos that I'm using are on the top of that too. And then I'm going to seal the bag and put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 to 6 hours, preferably overnight. Once your grill's hot enough, you just want to place the chicken so that it is going to be able to cook, and follow the directions that you usually use for grilling. I don't grill. Do you have any pointers to make from, Steve?